If you're a private person like me, you're probably wondering how to make Twitter private account. Well, from one private person to another private person, it's pretty simple and I'm here to show you how, so let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is open your Twitter. Now at the top left corner, you'll see your profile icon, so just tap on that. So right here at the bottom, you'll see settings and privacy, so just tap on it. Now at the very top, you'll see audience and tagging, so just click on it. So right now you'll see protect your tweets is grayed right here at the right side. So you'll just want to slide it over and now it's blue. So that means only current followers and people you approve will be able to see your tweets. So photo tagging is off right now. If yours is on, you can just click right here at off. If it was on, anyone can tag you. You can see this, you can just click it over here at off, and then that's it. Your account is private. To check on it, you can just tap on your profile picture and you'll see a lock sign next to your username. If it's not showing, you can just go back and then open it again and it should be refreshed and then you will definitely see it. So that's it. You have learned how to make Twitter account private, and if you want to learn more about Twitter and want to know how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter mobile, just tap on that screen and it'll take you right there. Until next time.